Hey guys, it's Viva La Pink Posh. Welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see, today's video is going to be a highly requested video from my last video, and it is how I did this cute little hairstyle. So we're just going to jump right into this, guys. So the first thing you want to do is brush out your unit, making sure there are no kinks in it, because you're not going to be able to braid your hair if it's kinky. So you want to brush it out and make sure it's nice and smooth and straight. You can even go through your hair with the iron if that makes it straighter. So we're going to make sure we brush out both sides of the hair. Don't mind Penny in the background. She's playing with her little Barbie car. So yeah, I'm just brushing out my hair in like a cute method. And now we're going to go in and we're going to start with these braids. So we're going to need a rat tail comb, and this is to part the hair. And when you part your hair, you want to make sure that your part is as even as it can get. You want to make sure there's no stray hairs poking out, because it will show in the braids after you had braided it. So you want to make sure this part is straight and that you have all the right strands of hair. So then I'm just going to basically braid this into a braid. If you guys don't know how to braid, it's super easy. You just want to start with 3 strands, and you can kind of see what I'm doing here in this video. But if you guys can't, then they have a bunch of videos on YouTube on how to braid, basically cornrow, because that's what I'm doing to this hair. So I'm just going to keep braiding that back. With this hairstyle, you can really play around with it. Like, you can braid it all the way to the ends. You can braid it to like where it's only on the head, and then you put a scrunchie in and you turn it into a ponytail, which I'm going to show you how I did in a few. So I'm just going to do the same thing to the opposite side, which is part it, and I'm going to braid it the same way I just did. But this time I'm going to actually put my hair in a ponytail to keep the extra hair out of the way. So again, guys, I'm going to do the same thing and just keep braiding this hair back until I'm finished. And when you're braiding, you want to make sure you actually run your entire finger through the hair so that it's not getting kinked and stuck together. So this is how the hairstyle would look if you kept the braids like braided all the way and just let them loose down. That's how that would look. But I wouldn't wear it like this. I like it in the ponytail. I feel like the ponytail is so much cuter. And this is how it looks in a little bun, which is what I like the most. And this is how it looks in the ponytail, guys. As you can see, that was super simple, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, guys. Bye.